Hello students, let's today discuss about the option strategies. So we are all familiar with the concept of options. As we are trying to understand that there are the four types of option. One is call option and the put option. In a call option, we find that it is a long on a call and the short on a call, and in a put, long on a put and the short on a put. So option strategies is about like combination of different types of options with different units and also combination of equity. Okay, so before we proceed on and understanding more detailedly about the depth, let's first understand this about a little input. Long on a call, again we all know that is the one who has a right to buy, where he expects that price is going to rise, and he has a risk which is limited to the premium what he has been paid, and the returns are unlimited, and he is going to make the gain, the unlimited gain, when the prices rises. Fine. So short on a call is the one who has an obligation to sell, and he expect that the price is going to decrease in coming future, and he makes the gain only by the premium what he has received, and he has unlimited losses, and he will start making the losses when the prices rises in the market. Okay, coming to the long on a put, where the buyer has a right, to sell here, right to sell, and expect that prices is going to drop in the near future, and the gain, he has a maximum gain, and he has a limited loss, that is the risk. Whereas a put, that is a short put, is a one who is a seller. Seller is the one who has an obligation to buy from the put buyer, right, and he expects that prices is going to rise, and he makes the gain by the premium what he has been received, and he will be making a losses when the price decreases with the short input, right. So now let's proceed with the conceptual understanding about the strategies. So option strategies are broadly classified into three major categories. One is directional strategies, one is volatility strategies, and combination of direction and the volatility strategies. So what is directional strategies? When we say directional strategies, here the investor is very clear about the direction, or he is very confident about the direction. As you say the direction, when you say long on a call, he is very confident about the direction that the price is going to rise. When he says short on a call, he is very specific about the prices is going to fall. Long on a put, very specific that prices is going to fall. Short on a put, very specifically very confident that price is going to rise. Fine. So these are very clear with respect to the direction, right? So based on the direction, so the strategies are being designed. The different combination of strategies are being designed, what we call as in a directional strategies. It can be bull strategy, it can be bear strategy, it can be partially bull, moderately bull, right? So partially bear, moderately bear. So we have a different types of strategies that we come across. That is with respect to directional strategies. Now with respect to volatility strategies. Now what are these volatility strategies? In this, there is no direction, or there is no clear understanding or clear specification about the direction. But one thing is sure, that there is a change in the price. Now what is volatility? Volatility is also a change, right? The change which are not in very specific, right? So increase as well as decrease, what we call as in a volatility, right? The fluctuation in the prices, what we call as in a volatility, right? So where investor try to predict that there would be a larger volatility, there would be a very small volatility. Based on the prediction about the volatility about the market, right, we design a different strategies. So what we call that as a volatility strategies. Fine. There is also a possibilities of combination of direction and the volatility, so we call that as a combination strategies. Now let's try to look at each of this. Fine. So this is about like directional strategies. Okay. So in the directional strategy, let's first understand about synthetic long call strategy and synthetic long put strategies. Fine. Now what is this synthetic long call and synthetic long put strategy, and when is that we need to use it, right? So I will be discussing this into the next video about this more detailedly.